Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings, then go straight to battery. Once there, turn on battery percentage or add the battery widget so you have a persistent readout. Tap battery health to inspect maximum capacity percent and peak performance capability. This tells you how the battery ages and whether performance management is applied. Make sure low power mode isn't skewing short-term readings, and note the reason behind each figure so you understand the how and why of battery behavior. Once done, scroll in battery to read the usage graphs for the last 24 hours and last 10 days. These show you patterns so you can spot abnormal drains. Tap into the list that breaks down screen on versus screen off time and per app battery percentage to find which apps consume most power. Make adjustments by disabling background app refresh, limiting location access, or force-quitting misbehaving apps. This lets you directly link behavior to battery impact and make targeted changes that extend daily life. Finish by adding the batteries widget to Today View or using Control Center for instant percentage checks. This saves time and reduces guesswork. If you see erratic jumps or incorrect percentages, try calibration. Fully discharge to 0%, then charge uninterrupted to 100%, then restart the phone. Make sure iOS is up to date and reboot if readings remain odd. If calibration and updates don't fix it, contact Apple or authorized service because hardware issues may require a battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.